and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a little mini haul for you guys. It's gonna be a quick, short one because I have to go to church soon, and also I have not a whole lot of stuff, so it's gonna be a short one. And you'll notice I'm filming the way I'm filming is kind of different. I'm not using my tripod, but I'll get into that later. Let's just get right into the video. So the first place I went to was Target, and I picked up this Color Oops hair color remover. As you can tell, I opened the box, see what was inside. And main reason I got this because I want to remove this bleached blonde I have on this one side right here, because as you know, I'm doing a whole month long of Cruella de Vil makeup tutorial videos just in time for the new Cruella movie starring Emma Stone. And I did explain in the cartoon version that I tried the L'Oreal Colorista all over bleach, and obviously did not give me the platinum blonde look close enough to the white side that Cruella has. I did try the Kristen S platinum gloss, but it's just more of a gloss and not a hair dye, which I didn't know that. Like, I can see a little bit of platinum from the gloss, but it didn't like go all the way through my hair. You can see like a little bit of highlights. So that's why I got it. So I'm hoping this works. Fingers crossed. The next store I went to was Burlington, but I want to get into the Burlington stuff last because I already worked too hard to set this thing up. So I'm going to move on to Marshalls, and I only have 4 things at Marshalls, which is mostly makeup. And the first thing I picked up was really excited to try this, and been wanting to get this for a while, but I never did because it's a little expensive. It's the Pure Cosmetics, and this is their Barbie collection. I think I saw this at Kohl's like a few months ago or maybe last year. I don't remember. And I saw this, like the packaging and all for the Barbie collection. I just screamed. Because the Barbie is like so nostalgia to me. Like I always played Barbie dolls as a kid. And I have not played with them much as I do now, but maybe as like collecting them, maybe a little. And the shade I got was Girl Gloss. Whoop. And this is what it looks like out of the box, and on Pure's website it describes as a pale pink color, and it's kind of yellowy too, and I thought it was a kind of golden like a light gold lip gloss, but on their website it describes it as a pale pink color. And I was trying to like how to get this open, and like I was twisting it like you normally do with any other lip glosses, but I didn't realize there's actually a button to open this, like this gold button right here. Just press it down and it opens. Crazy. And also, since I got this, I'm thinking of doing like an updated Barbie makeup tutorial, this time like a 2014 version of her. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments if you wanted me to do an updated Barbie makeup tutorial. Another thing I got at Marshalls is this e.l.f. Active Workout Ready Lip and Cheek Palette in Gym Cheek. And I think it's the only like palette like shade they have, from what I can see on their website and the pictures I've seen. And as you can see, like from the box, we have like some kind of like nice lip and cheek like colors. Like I'm assuming the lightest one right over here is probably like, you know, a highlighter, because I don't think of this as a blush color. Like probably these two are probably like a blush like colors, and maybe this one's like a bronzer, like cream bronzer or contour. I don't know. does look nice. I'll definitely be using this, especially for like summer when it gets all hot. Last thing that I got at Marshall's are these two lipsticks from MAC. I got the Lister lipstick kind and satin lipstick. And I got them in shades patisserie, I don't know. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I don't know if you can see the name. Probably not. It's too blurry. But it's patisserie. I don't know how you say it. Anyways, the other shade I got is Retro. Which I'm really excited to try these out because I've never tried out MAC products before. So I'm really excited to try these out. Especially the lipsticks. And the last thing I got, which I saved up for later because, like I said, I was at Burlington first before going to Marshall's. But the one last thing I got, which, like I said, Burlington, and I'm currently using it right now, but I can show you what it looks like because I have the box right here. It's this Ringlight live streaming gear. It's supposed to be used for your phones, but I did try to use it for my laptop, see if I could try to clip it in because I've been wanting to get like some kind of ring light to make better YouTube makeup tutorial videos on my laptop. And at first I saw this and I didn't realize the little clip thing. I didn't think I would like it, but I tried out using it on my laptop to see if I like it or not and see if I can get it to hold well, and it did. Anyways, and on the back, it has like different light shades. You can go from warm white and then neutral light, which I have it on right now, and also cool white. And on the little it has a little remote that it's kind of like attached to this, and you can like plug it in with any like a phone or tablet charger or your laptop, and just basically all these little areas where they say you can plug it in. Let me try to demonstrate. And on the little remote, you can like either turn up the brightness with the light, or you could turn it down a little. And also, like I said, you could switch it to different lighting colors. So right now I have in cool white, and here's warm white. Now we're back to neutral. Just turn it down. So far I'm really liking this little ring light. I would definitely be using this for my makeup hauls because I can easily clip it into this little 3 cube drawer I have right here. And also hopefully I could try to adjust it to like make sure it's steady a little on my laptop so I can make better makeup tutorials for you guys. But anyways, please like this video and subscribe. Comment below any makeup tutorials you want me to do, and stay tuned for like summer looks because I'll be doing summer makeup looks. Like I'm doing like a Alison De Laurentiis makeup look based on like the flashback scenes, and also I got requested to do Olivia Hussey as Juliet from Romeo and Juliet. So those videos will be coming up for my little summer makeup looks. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!